In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and run C and C++ programs in Cursor using the Microsoft C++ tools and the Code Runner extension. By the end, you'll be able to write a simple program and run it with a single click. Start by opening Cursor. If you've used Visual Studio Code before, the interface will feel familiar since Cursor is built on the same foundation. We'll begin by adding the tools you need to work comfortably with C and C++. Open the extensions view from the activity bar on the left. The icon looks like a set of building blocks. You can also get there faster with Ctrl+Shift+X on Windows or Linux, or CMD+Shift+X on a Mac. In the search box, type C, C++. Install the official C++ extension from Microsoft, often listed under the MS VS Code Publisher. This extension adds language support like IntelliSense, error checking, and the basics you need for editing C and C++ code. Give it a moment to complete installation. Next, search for Code Runner and install it. Code Runner adds a convenient Run Code button in the top right corner of the editor, which will let you compile and execute your current file without setting up a full build task. It's perfect for quick testing and single-file programs. Now let's create your source file. Press Ctrl+N on Windows or Linux, or CMD+N on a Mac to open a new file. Before you start typing, save the file with a proper extension so Cursor knows which language features to enable. Use a .c extension for C or a .cpp extension for C++. For example, you might save it as main.c or main.cpp. Saving with the correct extension ensures the C++ extension recognizes your code and that Code Runner knows how to run it. Write your C or C++ code in the editor. As you type, you should see helpful suggestions, syntax highlighting, and squiggles for common mistakes. Remember to save your file so you're running the latest changes. To execute your program, make sure your source file is open and active in the editor. Click the play button labeled Run Code in the top right corner. Code Runner will compile and run your file behind the scenes. You'll see the output appear at the bottom of the window in either the Output panel or the Terminal panel. If your program needs input, switch to the Terminal tab and type there. If the panel doesn't show automatically, look for it along the bottom edge of Cursor. If you encounter messages about missing compilers, you may need to install a C or C++ compiler like GCC or Clang and then restart Cursor. Otherwise, you're all set. That's the basic workflow. Install the extensions, create and save your file with the correct extension, write your code, and run it with a click.